Good morning, plumbers. Happy Saturday. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today's plumbing adventure, I have a sewer line that has been jetted 3 times and was just done yesterday. So they're asking me, and I didn't do the jetting because I don't have a jet yet. So I'm going to film the sewer line to see what's going on. They were gracious enough to hire me to do the job, so let's get the shots and get to the bottom of this situation. It's been jetted 3 times. Original call 2 weeks ago, and now yesterday. Stay tuned and we'll see you curbside. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my 2 sons the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. See you there. Alright folks, here's the culprit. This was jetted yesterday. Let's see what we got here. I was holding water yesterday, and she's nice and dry today. So we're going to shoot the camera in here and see what we can find out. The camera's nice and clean. The movie theater's open already. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. It's kind of crazy. Let's get this app started here. Now, the Sea Snake has an app. It's called HQ Live. So we gotta connect to the Wi-Fi on my phone. Dun 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 dun. M1, there it is. Boom. Let's go back to the app. Create new job. We're ready. Boom. Record. Okay. We're recording. So I'm actually recording in 3 different spots. There we go. Now we're good. Now we're cooking with fire. If I only make the turn. Now, of course, I got stuff on the camera. "13 feet out." We're recording the whole way. So far the pipe looks decent. 23 feet out. 25 feet out. And I'm kind of mad that the camera's got some goo-goo on the front. Now we're going. Alright, at 31 feet out, we got a 45. Morning. Good, man. We got a 45 going towards the left. 33 feet out. We're motoring along here. Uh-oh. A little bit of a sag. I can clean my camera right here, which is good. Oh, look at this. Alright, we have someone else dumping into this sewer. Look at the air movement in that thing. We got some air movement. At 49 feet, at 40 feet we have a connection. So let's go in further here and go straight. Go straight through the sag. We're coming down. We're moving along. We're at 50 feet. And it looks pretty good up to this point. "60 feet out. A little bit of grime. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A little bit of grime right here. At the 60-foot mark. works. Oh. Here's the question, and I don't know. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna be hard to push now. Eight. $80 feet out. What's this? Some type of lid. Looks like we got some sand in there also. More lids. What are these? Are they lids or are they from... Is there a store over here that does some kind of facial things here? Let's take a picture of this, folks. I'm 80 feet out and I have my second batch of some type of lid or some type of face pad that you clean your face with. We're not sure. So we're going to note this at the 80-foot mark. I want to take a picture. So, boom, let's take a picture. Picture taken. Let's keep it moving. Look at that, now 2 more. I don't know what they are, but we're gonna ask. I'm 90 feet out. Alright, now let's take a picture of this here. Boom. I'm gonna try to push through this. We got all kinds of goo-goo going on here. What is this? This is at the 95-foot mark. I don't know what that is. We're pushing through. Keep going. stuff ain't making it through. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go flush some toilets at this spot right here. Oh, here it comes. Oh, it's filling up. It's filling up. At the 100-foot mark, we're having flooding. Alright, let's see if it goes down from here. It's starting to sag. Let's see if I can get anything further out. Here it comes. That's what the pipe looks like. It just.
What is that?
It's just old cast iron or old terracotta. But see how it's going?
Yeah.
But I don't want to break my camera off out there. But like right here, it's kind of weird looking. And I'm filming all this so you guys can critique this whole thing, dude. But the funny part is, Brett, that something else comes in here. Who has round little pads?
Pads like air freshener things?
Yeah.
Oh, they're falling in the toilet. That's what's probably clogging it up.
No, not the orange things.
Oh.
We are going to relocate and go in the manhole cover now. 110 feet out and alright, right now I'm going up the sewer. 20 feet in. Now, we're holding water here, which means there's a big sag. I'm 70 feet in, holding water, and it's a clear passageway to this manhole cover. sewer is actually in good shape. Oops. 100 feet in. Oh, there's a little fly. We just got done filming the manhole. Yeah, we got the jet coming, the drain doctor. I'm going to, he's being hired by the owner. Get it clear. We got to get to the bottom of this situation. I'm looking forward to seeing the jet in action. I've only seen it on YouTube. The drain addict, dude's an animal. A couple other guys I follow, good stuff. And I had the rigid rep coming with the bigger camera because I'm having a hard time pushing the middle camera down the line. So he's going to let me use his big camera with my monitor. So we're going to get this shot. So stay tuned and we'll see you there and hopefully get to the bottom of the situation.